Welcome to lesson 68 for the 6th grade. Today we're going to continue working with mixed numbers, and instead of multiplying this time we're going to see how it applies to division, which of course, as you say, wait a minute, Mr. Fisher, doesn't division by fractions, aren't you just multiplying by the reciprocal? And of course I'm going to say yes. Great, I'm glad you remembered that. So let's go ahead and see how these apply with what we learned a few lessons ago looking at mixed numbers. It says Gregor had 2 3/4 pizza left. If Gregor divided the pizza between 6 friends, how much pizza did each friend get? So we have a total of 2 3/4 that we're dividing by 6, right? Dividing by 6. Now, step 1, of course, is to change that into an improper fraction. 2 times 4 gives us 8, plus 3 gives us 11, so that's 11 over 4. So now we have 11 over 4 divided by 6. Okay. However, to divide, right, we need to take this, which is technically 6 over 1, and we want to instead multiply by the reciprocal. So we're going to rewrite the problem. 11/4 times the reciprocal of 6 over 1 is going to be 1 over 6. Because to divide a fraction, we're going to multiply by the reciprocal. So now we have 11 times 1, which gives us 11, and 4 times 6, which gives us 24. And in the end, how much pizza is everyone going to get? They're going to get 11/24 of the pizza. Right? Right? So 11/24 pizza. I'd hate to have to cut that pizza up into 11/24, but that's what they would get. That's what they would get. Let's jump right into it and try it just with numbers. Right? Step 1, change our numbers into improper fractions. So 4 times 3 is 12, plus 1 gives us 13. So 13 over 3. And we're still dividing at this point. 2 times 5 is 10, plus 1 gives us 11 over 5. However, to divide by a fraction, we are actually multiplying by the reciprocal. Right? So our first fraction stays the same, multiplied by the reciprocal. So that's going to give us a 5 over 11. 5 times 13 is 65. 3 times 11 is 33. And so we have 65 over 33. And now we have an improper fraction, and we want to, because we're now trying to solve for our final answer, we want to convert that into a mixed number again. And so I'll scoot that over there like that. And 33 goes into 65 one time, which is going to give us a remainder of 32. And so in the end, our fraction is going to be 1 32 33s. 33rds. That's a funny fraction to say, but that's what it is. So we have this process. That's what we're working with. That's what we're going with. Go ahead and work through this sample as you look at dividing mixed numbers. That's lesson 68.